Anthropic Fable 5 released on June 9th, 2026, and it was glorious.
It was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
The moment it released, a lot of videos about it went up on YouTube immediately. All this fueled the hype train so much so that I even jumped on the bandwagon and bought an Anthropic subscription. Then, I spent the day making a grand total of one video about it. The next day, it was gone like that. Apparently, the White House doesn't want us to have cool things. They say it's for safety reasons, but we all know they have a local copy on their servers already. Anyways, RIP to Fable 5, and here's how you get a refund. First, log into Claude.ai on a browser. This won't work on mobile apps. If you are on a mobile app, process a refund through your respective app store. Once you're logged in, click on your profile down here, then click on Get Help. From there, just tell the FinAgent AI you want a refund. For the reason, just tell it that you subscribed because you wanted Fable 5 and now it's gone. So now you want a divorce. You have until June 20th to do this, so in the meantime, you can get your work done if you know what I mean. But you didn't hear this from me, so like the video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.